Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to very quickly and easily set up a two-factor authentication for Fortnite on Xbox. So as you can see, I'm doing it from PC, and don't be afraid, this is completely fine, because if you set up two-factor authentication on your computer, you can also do it on your phone. It does not really matter. Your Xbox will have the same procedure of logging in. So the next time you're logging in into your account, Epic account or Fortnite account that are actually connected on your Facebook, you will have to, of course, perform the two-factor authentication that you can actually set up on your personal computer. So as you can see, I am now in the window with the Epic. This is the Epic application. So in here, as you can see, protect your account. Just press on Setup Email Two-Factor Authentication. And now, as you can see, I need to receive my code onto my email. Let me just open up my phone and type in my temporary code. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, as you can see, I have pressed it, and now I'm successfully set up for the two-factor authentication with my email. And this is so simple. So basically, when you log in, just when you're asked and prompted to set up two-factor authentication, just press yes, insert your email if you need in here. You will then receive your, how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6-digit code from the numbers, and your basically authentication is going to be now active. And as you can see, confirm your two-factor authentication methods. You can use email, authenticator app, and SMS. So it's up to you how exactly you want to log in. I will, for example, just leave it at email and press confirm. And as you can see now, I am being logged in into Epic Games, into my account, and now you can easily go ahead and play Fortnite. And now your account is successfully secured with two-factor authentication on Xbox. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped, press like, subscribe. See you next time.